Assalamu alaikum dear student, welcome to our math class. Today we have a same unit, that is unit number 2, linear equation, page number 109. We have a question number 9, that is solve the following equation. Part D is 1 over 4 multiplying with 5y plus 4 is equal to 1 over 3 multiplying with 2y minus 1. In solution, if you see in question, then 1 over 4 multiply, or 1 is multiplying with this value and divided by 4, and here 1 is multiplying with this value and dividing 3. Okay, now solution is, if we multiply with this value with 1, then we get this value divided by 4 is equal as it is, and if we multiply our this value with 1, then we get this value divided by 3. Over here we have a fraction in both sides, and between them we have a is equal. If you have a this condition, then we cross multiply our values. Like cross multiplication is this value multiply with 3, this value multiply with 4, like that. 3 multiply with 5y plus 4 is equal as it is 4 multiply with 2y minus 1. We solve it now. 3 5s are 15y plus as it is 3 4s are 12 is equal as it is. 4 2s are 8y as it is. 4 multiply with minus 1, then we get minus 4. Okay, if you see here in this step, we have a value with variable. Over here we have a value with variable, and 12 and minus 4 is constant. In next step we combine our this value and our constant like that. Okay, if we solve 15 minus 8, then we get 7y is equal as it is. Minus minus is plus, then we plus our constant 12 plus 4 16. Over here we use minus sign because in constant we have a, in greater value we have a minus sign, so that's why we use a minus sign over here. Again, if you see, our 7 is multiplying with y. If we convert over here like that, when then our 7 is dividing over here. Okay, if we divide 16 with 7, then we get 7 2s are 14, remainder is 2. How we write this value? We anti-clockwise we write this value, like minus 2 as it is, 2 over here, 7 in remainder and 2 in here. Okay, like that. So we get value of y is equal to minus 2 over 7. This form is called improper fraction. Okay, in next we have a question number 10. Part A is 12 divided by x plus 3 is equal to 2. If you see here, x plus 3 is dividing with 12. If we convert over here, then this value is multiplied with 2. 12 as it is equal as it is. 2 multiply x, 2x. 2 multiply with 3, then 6, and plus as it is. Over here 12 is constant and our 6 is constant. If we convert our 6 over here, then 6 is converted in minus. Okay, then 12 minus 6 is equal as it is 2y as it is. Over here 2 is multiplying with x. If we convert in next side, then 2 is dividing over here. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So our value is x is equal to 3. Now we have a part D is 1 over 2 is equal to 1 divided by x plus 2 minus 1. In solution, if you see here, यहाँ पर हमारे पास minus 1 है, यहाँ पर क्या है 1 over 2 है. अब अगर आप देखें, ये हमारे पास क्या है, फ्रैक्शन में है, ये फ्रैक्शन में है, ये भी फ्रैक्शन में है. क्यों? क्योंकि जहाँ कुछ नहीं होता उसके नीचे 1 होता है. ठीक है, तो अगर हम लोग अपना -1 कन्वर्ट करें इस साइड पे, देन वो क्या हो जाएगा, +1 में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू 1 ओवर x + 2 एज इट इज रहेगा. ओके, अब आप लोगों को पता है कि जब हमारे पास दो तरफ फ्रैक्शन हो, दरमियान में प्लस या माइनस हो, देन वी टेक अ एलसीएम। ओके, यहाँ पर परेशान नहीं होना, यहाँ पर 1 है हमारे पास, डिवाइडेड बाय 1 है। ओके, अब यहाँ पर देखें हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में 2 है, 2 एज इट इज़ आ जाएगा। ठीक है, और मैंने आप लोगों को बोला था कि जब हमारे पास क्या हो, एलसीएम लेने का आसान तरीका ये है, 2 पे डिवाइड करेंगे, कैंसिल हो जाएगा। 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 वी गेट अ 1, when 1 multiply with 1 then we get 1. Over here if we divided 2 1 then 2 multiply 1 is 2 plus as it is equal to 1 over x plus 2 same. अगेन आप यहाँ पर देखें दोनों तरफ फ्रैक्शन है। ठीक है, दरमियान में इज इक्वल है। अगेन वी मल्टीप्लाइड आवर वैल्यू इन अ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन like this value. First of all we solve this one. 1 plus 2 is 3 over 2 as it is equal 1 divided by x plus 2 like that. In next step we cross multiply our values. 3 multiply with x plus 2 is equal to 2 multiply 1. If we multiply our 3 with this value then we get 3x, 3 2s are 6. Okay, is equal as it is, 2 1s are 2 as it is. Over here 6 is constant. If we convert our 6 over here then 2 minus 6 3x as it is. If we solve this value then we get minus 4 3x as it is. Over here again 3 is multiplying with x. If we convert our 3 here then 3 is dividing with minus 4. Again we divide 4 with 3, 3 ones are 3, remainder is 1. Again write our values in anti-clockwise like that. Minus as it is 1 and 1 over 3 is equal to x. This is also called a improper fraction. Now we have a question number 11. Solve the following equation. Part A is 10x minus 5x plus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Over here again यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं है, it mean we have a 1, between them we have a minus, so we take a LCM over here. Okay, 3 is in denominator. अब यहाँ पर आप वो देखिए, वहाँ पर हमने डिवाइड वाला तरीका किया था, अब यहाँ पर हम लोग डायरेक्ट करेंगे क्योंकि हमारे पास वेरिएबल है ये, लाइक x इज वेरिएबल ओवर हेयर एंड x वेरिएबल ओवर हेयर। सो जब हमारे पास वेरिएबल हो x y z a b c जोन सा भी वेरिएबल हो, हम लोग इसकी वैल्यू क्या लिखते हैं, डायरेक्ट लिखते हैं। 3 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे इसके साथ, ये आ गया। यहाँ कुछ नहीं है, इट मीन 1 है, 1 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे इसके साथ, हम ये लिख देंगे। ये तब करेंगे जब हमारे पास ऊपर नोमिनेटर में हमारे पास क्या होगी, वैल्यूज वेरिएबल में होगी। ओके, लाइक दैट 7 एज इट इज। 3 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 10 देन वी गेट 30x माइनस एज इट इज 5x लाइक दैट माइनस 4। माइनस 4 क्यों आया है, हमारे पास ब्रैकेट के बाहर क्या है, माइनस का साइन है। माइनस के साइन को जब हम अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास प्लस वाली वैल्यू माइनस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी लाइक दैट। डिवाइडेड बाय 3 एज इट इज इक्वल 7 एज इट इज। इफ वी सॉल्व दिस वैल्यू 13 माइनस 5 वी गेट 25x माइनस 4 एज इट इज डिवाइडेड बाय 3 एज इट इज इक्वल 7 एज इट इज। ओके, नाउ ओवर हियर इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप 3 is dividing with this value. If we convert our 3 over here then 3 is multiplying with this value and this value as it is. In next step if we convert our 7 3s are 21 and this value is remain same. Okay, in next step over here we have a constant that is minus 4. If we convert our constant over here then plus 4. Okay, 21 as it is, 25x as it is. If we solve our constant 21 plus 4 then we get 25 and 25x is as it is. Over here again we have this value and multiplying with x. If we convert our this value over here then 25 is dividing with 25 x as it is. If we cancel it 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25, when then we get x is equal to 1 over 1. आप लोगों को पता है कि नीचे वाली जो डिनोमिनेटर होता है उसमें 1 की कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं लिखी जाती है। ठीक है, तो इसलिए our answer is x is equal to 1. Now further we have a part E that is 6 multiplying with y minus 2 divided by 7 minus 12 is equal to 2 dividing with 2 multiplying with 2 minus 7 dividing with 3. Okay, now first of all we solve or we simplify our values. Like 6 is multiplying with y, then 6y. 6 multiplying with minus 2, then we get minus 12 divided by 7 as it is, minus 12 again as it is. Okay, again we have a is equal as it is, 2 dividing with y, sorry, here 2 is multiplying with y, then we have a 2 multiply y. 2 is multiplied with minus 7, then we have a minus 14 divided by 3 as it is. Again we have a fraction over here, minus 12 is dividing with 1. Okay, we take LCM, 7, 6 minus 12 as it is, 7 multiplied with 12, then we get minus 84, and this value again same. If we solve our this constant, minus minus is plus, so 84 plus 12, then we get 96. This minus is same as it is, 6y as it is divided by 7, again same as it is, and this side is also same. Again we have a fraction, and so we cross multiplied our value over here, cross multiplication. 3 multiplying with this value, same. 7 multiplying with this value, 3 multiply 6, 18y. 3 multiply with 96, then we get minus 288 is equal as it is. 7 multiplying with 2y, then we get 14y. 7 multiply with minus 14, okay, then we get minus 98 over here. Again we have a same condition, that value variable, value variable, constant constant. So we combine our this value here and constant here. We solve our this value, like 18 minus 14, then we get 4y is equal as it is. Then when we minus 28 minus 90, then we get 190. Okay, over here 4 is again multiplying with y. If we convert 4 over here, then we get this step, like 190 divided by 4. If we cut it, then we get 95 divided by 2. In next step, if we divide our this value like that, 95 as it is dividing with 2, so 247 the 94, remainder is 1. In anti-clockwise we write this value, then we get y is equal to 47 1 over 2. This is also called a improper fraction. Now next we have a question number 14. If 3x minus 5y dividing 7y minus 4y is equal to 3 over 4, find the value of x divided by y. Okay, अब यहाँ पर उन लोगों ने हमें क्या है, ये वाली वैल्यूज दी हुई हैं, फाइंड करनी है वैल्यू x over y. How? Like again you see here we have a fraction over here and here as well, and between them we have a is equal. Again we cross multiplied our value like that. 4 multiply with 3x minus 5y is equal to 3 multiply with 7y minus 4y. Sorry, 3 multiply with 7x minus 4y. So 3 4s are 12x minus 4 multiply with 5, then we get minus 20y is equal as it is. 3 7s are 21 or 3 4s are 12y as it is. Okay, over here again if we combine our x values in one side and y values in one side like that, okay, 12x minus 21x is equal to 12y minus 20y. Okay, if we solve this value, then we get minus 9x. If we solve this value, then we get is equal as it is, then we get 8y. Over here x over y, 8 divided by minus 9. हम कभी भी नॉमिनेटर के साथ माइनस नहीं लगाते, so we shift our minus in with 8. Okay, now our answer is x divided by y is equal to minus 8 divided by 9. So over here this is your worksheet number 9, and this thing is compulsory. your name, your class name, your section, your subject, date and roll number. Okay, this is your homework. And note, question number 12 is your task. Okay student, thank you.